Hey, what's up guys, it's Families. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Yeah guys, let's enter this amazing boat I've created. We're just seeing this. This is a flying boat. The view is so amazing from here. Let me show you. This is a propeller that I have created, and this is how it looks like from the outside. It's so amazing guys. Also, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. That would be great. Also, you could download this world for more information is in the description below. Also, 5 days says to have a great day today.